Hello, everybody. I'm here today to talk about the mustard family, otherwise known as Phylum Brassicaceae. The Brassicaceae family includes many plants that have been domesticated by mankind. They come in the form of several types of edible foods, many of which have been edited to improve their quality and value. Their heavy uses as agricultural crops mean that they have an important economic effect on the world. They are sold to consumers throughout the world. Most of the plants are also used for decorative purposes. Not all the members of the family are good though, some species are very invasive. This video will give an overview of some of the most important species, some of the plants that are also used for decorative purposes, and so on and so forth. Fun facts: this family is composed of 338 genera and over 3,700 species. This means that there are a very large variety of plants within this family, some of which include cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, Napa cabbage, turnips, and white mustards and radishes. Originally, the mustard plant was considered a weed that spread through its use of tiny seeds, but in the present day, it is cultivated and spread by humans all over the world. Most members of the mustard family are medium in size, grow in the form of shrubs, and have flowers. But because of the vast diversity of the family, it is difficult to identify many unifying traits. The mustard family is, in the current day, they have spread across almost all of the world's landmass. Originating and most commonly found around the Mediterranean region, members of the mustard family are grown on every continent except, of course, Antarctica. The honestly. Honestly is native to Europe and comes in two forms, annual and perennial honesty. These flowers are purple, as you can see, unlike the majority of the mustard family, and grow in circular fruits to hold its oval seeds prior to dispersal. This is one of the flowering plants that can be seen as decorative. On the flip side, broccoli is also in the mustard family. Broccoli is a form of cabbage that originated in Italy, but was introduced into England and the Americas into the 1700s. It is a nutritious vegetable with important substances like vitamin A and potassium, and is also an annual plant that thrives in moderate to cool climates. Along that same vein, the cabbage is a vegetable and fodder plant that grows in the mild to cool climates and is able to survive even the frost. It is extremely popular vegetable throughout the world, and it has important which means it has important economic importance and is sufficient source of vitamin C and along with having very low calories. Radishes can be annual or biennial crops. They have the red color, as you can see, in their roots as a result of anthocyanins. 400 million pounds of radishes are consumed annually in just the United States alone. Also, as you can see here, they have been developed in many different climates to show a variety of colors in addition to their red roots. The white mustard. White mustard is an annual plant whose seeds are the source of the condiments for the mustard, the actual put on your hot dog mustard that you're all most likely most familiar with. It's native to the Mediterranean, like many mustard plants. It is cultivated into the agricultural weed, but has also been known to be a very invasive species in many places. As you can see here in the picture, it depicts how it has taken over a large field. The flower in the summer, they flower in the summer and grow to 5 to 6.5 feet tall. Looking back at it, actually, these might be grown, but I might just be dumb. Thank you. The basket of gold. Basket of gold is a perennial plant. As you can see, the flowers are numerous and bright yellow. It is obvious why the flowers serve ornamental purposes. Native in Central and Southern Europe, specifically in sunny environments, these flowers grow low to the ground, so they are popular for rock gardens and other gardens similar to that. So, as you can gather, the mustard family is massively important economically. On top of being full of vital agricultural crops like cabbages, broccoli, and radishes, the mustard family has many ornamental flowers in addition. The flowers produced by the mustard family are a vital food source for butterflies and moths. And the mustard family is also the largest source of vegetable oil out of any other plant family, produces the most. So, in conclusion, the mustard family is one of the most biodiverse and economically important families of plants to humanity and should be looked at with respect and grace as I see them. That's us. We did this. Thank you. You're welcome. Me. Those are our sites. Those are all the cool, crazy images we got. Thank you, everybody.